All right, y'all. So it's the holidays right now. Literally a week into Thanksgiving. Then you know how quick December goes. And I'm just thinking about people. I've been on the internet making money part-time since 2015-ish. After the pandemic, I kind of took it way more serious. You know, when I got out off the rabbit wheel of thinking you have to work super hard for money. But I just want to pretty much break down the simplicity without the screen recording, without the fancy edits, on how this thing works. Specifically the business model that I've grown to like, because I started in network marketing. A lot of people, that's probably what everyone knows the most is network marketing, your Avons, your Mary Kays, and it's a list of them. And it kind of like throws people off when it comes to recruiting, etc. So the second business model that has been a steal for me is affiliate marketing. Whole bunch of reasons. But to make it really simple is easy concept to understand. So for example, if I have this, say I'm working with this wipe company and they're like, hey, we'll give you 25% to 80% to recommend these wipes to people. So every time we'll give you an affiliate link with a sales page on it explaining about our wipes. Every time a person clicks on that and purchases our wipes because it's something that they actually want, we'll cut you that check. Whether it's weekly, whether it's monthly, we'll cut you that check. So what's so big about that, because a lot of people probably are like, they're like, whatever, I don't get it. What's so big about this is you got to think about multiplying that. So if they're paying you, let's just say 80%, say the wipes are $25, they're paying you $20 every time someone purchases that wipe. So think, how much money do I make a week? How much money do I want to make a week? How many wipes do I need sold a week to make that? And then just to take the analytical people to the next level is, because I know a lot of you are going to think, dang, this just feels too good to be true. It feels too temporary, because it's just like, man, it might slow down. You have the internet. Like right now I'm doing this YouTube thing just because it's another way to get traffic. Traffic is eyes to whatever it is that I'm talking about. But two, the back end is always taking the money we have. It's just like when we work a job. Take the money we have, save it. Take the money we have, buy crypto, buy stocks, invest it. So eventually we can have our money making money for us. So that's the biggest thing I want to say is, don't just get so stuck like, man, I can see the numbers like, okay, I make $700 a week. If I'm getting $20 every time a pack of wipes is sold, and I know there's a market for these wipes, I can kind of do the numbers in my mind. But what if it stops? It's always a what if when it comes to being outside your job. What if the pandemic happens and you have to quit your union job? That's what happened to me. And just like that, my life changed within a week, right? The other thing about this is you got to realize is you're working right now. Most of you, 99% of you are working. You have a job. You have a setup. This is what you do part-time. So you're just doing it on the side. You can be part-time like me. I didn't really take it super serious for 7 years. Because you kind of like, I don't know if it's going to be me, the one that goes and hits that level. But you can do it on the side. So for you not to do affiliate marketing, if you're someone who cares, like you want another income, you want to eventually see, hey, maybe can I go in business for myself full time? I'm just doing it on the side. So like it should be literally a 90% conversion rate, but people are people and they need multiple exposures. So now that we broke that down, another thing and we're going to end this video, I want you to understand pretty much the simplicity in this. I'm recording a video on my phone, which you need to start using these expensive phones that you spend all this money to keep upgrading. I'm getting this information out there. Yeah, there's a few things like title, keywords, description, call to action, etc. that I'm going to show you on the back end. And I'm uploading this video for free. Whether it costs me money to set up this affiliate business on the back end or not, the meat and potatoes of the business, which is the traffic flow, is free. Like I'm doing a lot of free strategy. So imagine setting up this business model that kind of runs on autopilot. You create this pieces of content, whether it's faceless, AI, you'll see it all on this channel, or you speaking, you upload it multiple times a day, and it goes to make you money. Because the product or the opportunity, whatever it is, it has a market for it. It has a supply and it has a demand. So if any of this made sense and you're feeling a little bit of dopamine rush, like, man, maybe I can really do this. I'm just like him, or maybe I'm better than him. Maybe I can do this way better than him. All the information is going to be in the description. You're going to see a link. You're going to go to a page that I built that I'm going to show you how to build, and it's going to break everything down without me even saying anything to you guys. Then once you take action, I'm going to add you into the school community, and just like that, we can get it going. So thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next one.